Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your slides onto the iPhone quickly. Open the presentation from OneDrive or Files, then choose PowerPoint iOS or Keynote to export slides as images or a basic MP4. This makes editing faster and preserves layout. Once done, import those images or the MP4 into iMovie or LumaFusion. Make sure the Photos app permission is allowed, and you have about 2 GB free for temporary files. This prevents crashes and speeds up rendering. Now you refine timing and visuals. In iMovie or LumaFusion, drag slide images or MP4 into the timeline, then trim and split to match your narration rhythm. Shorter cuts keep attention. Add transitions and titles where context helps, and set the project to 16:9 for widescreen or 1:1 for social. Once you've placed visuals, record a voiceover directly in the app. Choose a quiet spot and monitor levels so speech is clear without peaking. Finish by exporting and sharing with the right settings. Choose 1080p for quality or 720p to save space, and pick H. 264 for compatibility or HEVC for smaller files if supported. Once exported, upload to OneDrive, Google Drive, Teams, or YouTube directly from your iPhone. If you encounter problems, here's a key troubleshooting tip. When audio drifts, detach the audio track, nudge it back to sync, or re-record the affected segment and replace only that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.